Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the world of electronics and electrical work, a reliable multimeter is an indispensable tool. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast, having the ability to measure voltage, current, resistance, and other electrical parameters accurately is essential for troubleshooting, maintenance, and project success. While there are many high-end multimeters on the market, the good news is that you don't have to break the bank to get a capable and dependable instrument. In this guide, we will embark on a journey to discover the best multimeters available for under $50. These budget-friendly options are designed to provide accurate measurements without compromising on quality or safety. On number 5, Astro AI Digital Multimeter and Analyzer. The Astro AI Digital Multimeter and Analyzer TRMS 6000 counts voltmeter is a versatile tool for precise electrical measurements. It can accurately measure AC/DC current, AC/DC voltage, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, resistance, diode, continuity, and temperature. Its design includes features like data hold, a large LCD backlit screen, auto shut-off, a hanging magnet, and a kickstand for convenience. It also has auto-ranging capability and true RMS for accurate AC current and voltage measurements. This multimeter is suitable for troubleshooting automotive and household electrical issues safely. It ensures safety with double ceramic fuses to prevent overloading. On number 4, Innova 3340 Professional Automotive. The Innova 3340 Professional Automotive Digital Multimeter, reviewed by Timothy Henderson, receives an excellent rating of 4.5. This automotive digital multimeter is highly regarded for its reliability and versatility. It is certified for safety, compact, and comes with trilingual instructions, English, Spanish, and French. The device offers multiple operating options, including handheld, wrist strap, and a stand for hands-free use. The Innova 3340 stands out due to its comprehensive testing capabilities, covering various vehicle components like alternator diodes, duty cycle, solenoids, breaker points, wiring, and switches. It features data retrieval functions, min/max and hold buttons, for saving test results. On number 3, uni-t's Multimeter Tester 10000. The uni-t's Multimeter Tester 10000 counts TRMS Rechargeable Smart is a versatile electrical tester designed for various applications. It features a smart mode that automatically identifies and selects the appropriate measurement content and range for voltage, resistance, and continuity. The device boasts an upgraded display with a large LCD color screen, a flashlight for readability in different lighting conditions, and additional features like analog bar, real-time temperature, low battery warning, and damaged fuse alert. This multimeter is suitable for diagnosing automotive, industrial, and household electrical issues, offering accurate measurements for AC/DC voltage, resistance, continuity, AC/DC current, capacitance, frequency, diodes, duty cycle. On number 2, Bshapless 2-in-1 Handheld. The Bshapless 2-in-1 Handheld Oscilloscope Multimeter offers dual functionality with high precision. It features a faster sampling speed of 2.5 ms/s for data collection, high bandwidth, and various waveform scanning modes, automatic, conventional, single, to enhance work efficiency. The product may come under the names ET828 or LM2020, but they are the same with identical functions. This device provides a wide detection range, including DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC voltage up to 750 volts, DC/AC current up to 10A, resistance up to 40 megaohms, capacitance up to 100 microfarads, and frequency up to 5 MHz. It also supports diode and continuity testing and transistor amplification tests. The instrument ensures accuracy through a dedicated chip. On number 1, Cronova MS8233D Digital Multimeter. The Cronova MS8233D Digital Multimeter is a versatile and user-friendly device for precise measurements. It offers user and device protection with built-in fuses for overload protection and an insulated rubber holster to prevent electric shock. This multimeter is more versatile than expected, capable of measuring DC/AC voltage, DC/AC current, resistance, capacitance, frequency, duty cycle, continuity, diodes, and detecting live wires and NCV, non-contact voltage. It features a 6000 count LCD screen for clear and accurate readings, with a bright backlight for working in low light conditions. The multimeter has a fast sampling speed of 3 times per second. Additional features include switchable manual/auto range modes. In conclusion, finding the best multimeter under $50 is an excellent choice for those seeking a cost-effective yet reliable tool for electrical measurements. While these budget-friendly options may not offer all the advanced features of more expensive models, they still provide accurate readings and essential functions for a wide range of applications. When shopping for the best multimeter under $50, it's important to consider factors such as accuracy, durability, safety features, and the specific measurements you need. Many affordable multimeters on the market today offer a combination of these features, making them suitable for both beginners and experienced users on a budget. So this was the video, guys. Do check the link in the description and like to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.